Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into the delicious world of moi-moi, a true gift from West African cuisine. Imagine a savory steamed bean pudding, packed with flavor and protein. That's moi-moi. Moi-moi is made from black-eyed peas, blended with onions, peppers, and spices. This mixture is then wrapped in leaves like banana leaves and steamed to perfection. The result? A fragrant, protein-rich dish that's as versatile as it is tasty. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or simply looking to add more plant-based goodness to your diet, moi-moi is a must-try. It's naturally gluten-free, incredibly satisfying, and bursting with flavor. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover why moi-moi is a true star of the plant-based world. Now let's talk about why moi-moi is a nutritional superstar. This humble bean pudding is packed with goodness that will make your body sing. First up, protein. Moi-moi is an excellent source of plant-based protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. This makes it a fantastic choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to up their protein intake. But that's not all. Moi-moi is also a great source of fiber, which keeps your digestive system happy and helps you feel fuller for longer. It's low in fat, cholesterol-free, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium, and folate. Incorporating moi-moi into your diet is like giving your body a nutritional hug. It's a delicious and convenient way to fuel your day with healthy plant-based goodness. When it comes to plant-based protein, there are plenty of options out there. From legumes to soy products, the choices are vast and varied, each bringing its own unique benefits to the table. But how does moi-moi stack up against other popular contenders? Let's dive deeper into this comparison. Let's compare moi-moi to tofu, a soy-based protein source that has been a staple in many diets for years. While tofu is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, it can be bland on its own and often requires significant seasoning to enhance its flavor. Moi-moi, on the other hand, bursts with flavor from its blend of spices and seasonings, making it a delicious option right from the start. Now let's look at lentils, another plant-based protein powerhouse that is rich in nutrients and fiber. Lentils are great for soups and stews, but they often require longer cooking times and careful preparation to achieve the right texture. Moi-moi, once prepped, steams to perfection in a relatively short amount of time, making it a convenient and time-saving option for busy cooks. Finally, let's consider tempeh, a fermented soybean product that is known for its firm texture and high protein content. Tempeh has a nutty flavor that not everyone enjoys, and it can be an acquired taste for some. Moi-moi, with its savory and aromatic profile, appeals to a wider range of palates, making it a more universally loved dish. In the world of plant-based proteins, moi-moi stands out not only for its flavor, but also for its convenience and nutritional value. It's packed with essential nutrients and offers a satisfying meal option. It's a true champion of the plant-based world, bringing together taste, health, and ease of preparation in one delightful dish. The foundation of any great moi-moi is, of course, the beans. While black-eyed peas are the traditional choice, you can experiment with other beans like honey beans or even a combination for a unique twist. When choosing your beans, look for plump, dry beans that are free from cracks or blemishes. Freshness is key for optimal flavor and texture. Avoid using canned beans, as they can make your moi-moi mushy. Once you've got your beans, it's time to give them a good rinse. This helps to remove any dirt or debris and ensures a clean flavor. Now, you're ready for the next step: soaking. Soaking your beans is crucial for a smooth and creamy moi-moi. This process helps to soften the beans, making them easier to blend and digest. Section 5. Soak it up. Preparing your beans for moi-moi perfection. Soaking your beans is a crucial step in creating the perfect moi-moi. This process is essential to ensure that your beans are soft enough to blend smoothly, which is key to achieving the right texture for your moi-moi. It not only softens the beans for easier blending, but also helps to reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. By soaking the beans, you break down some of the complex sugars that can cause digestive discomfort. There are two main methods for soaking your beans: the traditional overnight soak and the quicker hot soak method. Each method has its own benefits and can be chosen based on your schedule and preference. For the overnight soak, simply cover your beans with plenty of water and leave them to soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. This method is great if you plan ahead and can leave the beans to soak while you sleep. If you're short on time, the hot soak method is your friend. This method is faster and can be done in just a couple of hours. Cover your beans with water, bring to a boil, then remove from heat and let them soak for about an hour. This quick soak method is perfect for those last-minute moi-moi cravings. Once your beans are nice and plump, drain and rinse them thoroughly. This step is important to remove any remaining impurities and to ensure that your beans are clean and ready for blending. Now, your beans are ready for the next stage of their moi-moi transformation. With properly soaked beans, you're well on your way to creating a delicious and authentic moi-moi dish that will impress everyone. Section 6. Spice World, the art of moi-moi seasoning. Here's where the real fun begins. Seasoning your moi-moi is your chance to get creative and infuse it with your favorite flavors. The traditional base includes onions, red bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers for a touch of heat, and bouillon powder for savory depth. But don't be afraid to experiment. Add a pinch of ground crayfish for a unique umami kick or some smoked paprika for a smoky depth. Fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro can also add a vibrant touch. Pulse your seasonings in a blender or food processor until finely chopped. Then, add your soaked and drained beans and blend until you achieve a smooth and slightly thick batter. Remember, the consistency should be pourable but not too runny. Section 7. Wrap it up. Traditional and modern moi-moi steaming techniques. In this chapter we will explore the time-honored methods and contemporary alternatives for steaming moi-moi, a beloved West African dish. Traditionally, moi-moi is steamed in banana leaves, which impart a wonderful aroma and add to its unique flavor. The leaves not only enhance the taste, but also give the dish an authentic touch that connects it to its cultural roots. If you can find them, simply cut the leaves into squares, blanch them to soften, and wrap your moi-moi mixture into neat parcels. This process may seem intricate, but it's quite rewarding and adds a special touch to your cooking. Don't worry if you can't find banana leaves. They can be hard to come by depending on where you live. You can use parchment paper, aluminum foil, or even silicone muffin cups for a modern twist. These alternatives are more accessible and still do a great job of holding the moi-moi mixture. Just make sure to grease them lightly to prevent sticking. This step is crucial to ensure that your moi-moi comes out smoothly without any hassle. Now, for the steaming. You can use a steamer basket, a large pot with a rack, or even your trusty pressure cooker. Each of these methods has its own advantages, so choose the one that suits your kitchen setup best. Add water to your steaming vessel, bring it to a boil, then carefully arrange your moi-moi parcels inside. Make sure the water level is just right to create enough steam without soaking the parcels. Steam your moi-moi for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures that the moi-moi is cooked through and has the perfect texture. The aroma of perfectly steamed moi-moi is simply irresistible. Once you unveil the wrapping, you'll be greeted with a delightful scent that makes all the effort worthwhile. Enjoy your delicious homemade moi-moi. Section 8. Beyond the leaf, serving up your moi-moi masterpiece. Once your moi-moi is steamed to perfection, it's time to unwrap and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Carefully unwrap your moi-moi parcels, allowing the steam to escape. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Moi-moi is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Serve it as a satisfying breakfast alongside pap, a fermented maize porridge, or enjoy it as a protein-packed lunch or dinner with rice, fried plantains, or a side of steamed vegetables. Feeling adventurous? Crumble some moi-moi into salads for extra texture and flavor, or use it as a filling for sandwiches or wraps. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Moi-moi on the go, storing and reheating your bean delight. Moi-moi is not only delicious but also incredibly convenient for meal prepping. Once cooled, store your moi-moi in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, simply steam your moi-moi for a few minutes until heated through. You can also microwave it for a quicker option, but be sure to sprinkle a little water on top to prevent it from drying out. For longer storage, you can freeze your moi-moi for up to 2 months. Thaw it overnight in the refrigerator before reheating and enjoy. Section 10. Moi-moi around the world. Exploring regional variations. Moi-moi's popularity extends far beyond West Africa, with each region adding its own unique twist to this beloved dish. In Ghana, it's known as kenki and is often made with fermented corn dough. In Togo and Benin, you'll find moimoi, which typically includes tomatoes and spices like chili pepper and ginger. Brazilian abora is another variation, often steamed in banana leaves and served with a spicy shrimp sauce. Exploring these regional variations is a delicious way to experience the diversity of culinary traditions and discover new flavor combinations. Section 11. Embrace the bean-making moi-moi, a staple in your plant-based diet. So there you have it, folks. Moi-moi is more than just a delicious dish. It's a celebration of flavor, nutrition, and culinary creativity. Its versatility, ease of preparation, and impressive nutritional profile make it a true star of the plant-based world. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, a curious foodie, or simply looking for delicious and healthy meal options, I encourage you to give moi-moi a try. Embrace the bean and discover a world of flavor.